Join us on the TED today as things take a sudden turn while riding down this section through this amazing terrain. We hit a corner where the gravel was very loose and the front brake on the 500 with no ABS just locked the wheel and I went down. I'm on the 500 KTM EXC F 2024 model and Dylan's riding the Husky 701. He's using the Samsung DMS for navigation there, which really worked well. This part of the TET is in the Pyrenees. We were staying quite close to the French border, obviously crossing from country to country while riding off-road. But this particular section was still in Spain, Pyrenees.
Oh, you're right there. Ena. How's your body feeling? Right? Saw that just slipped out.
Yeah, up in the corner is going a bit fast.
How's your shoulder and your arm?
No, not good.
It looked like it slammed. You slammed hard, yeah.
Yeah.
It's all cut up here.
I should have sat down, you know. Let's see.
Yeah, chill. Let me get some water. Take your helmet off, it's chill.
Didn't stay down in the corner, standing up.